Alright y'all, welcome to a brand new video today. This one is huge. I'm very excited for it. Today we are lowering my 2022 Mustang GT. The car's actually already lowered. We have it on iBox Sport Lines. Did this about, I want to say like a month or two ago. Also threw on the 25mm spacers. So it's actually sitting really nice right now. You guys already know that is not enough, guys. Typical Borges spec on this channel. We gotta bag it. As you can see right here, we got the FRS bagged and also the 2022 Subaru BRZ. With that being said, there's only one left right there that's not bagged. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I am so freaking excited for it today. Right here, as you can see, we have the airlift management. We got the tank, we got the compressor, we got the manifold. I actually took a little bit of a head start on this. Took the time to remove all the interior panels, kind of prepping the car to wire everything through the inside. So yeah, we literally have like the back seats right here. We have the trunk liner. A lot of the Mustang interiors are right here. Typically how I do it is I pull, like I said, the whole interior and I route, you know, the wiring through the interior, the air lines through the interior. So it just makes my life way easier with all that removed. And right here is the fun stuff, guys. We got the Bag Riders super low struts for the Mustang. And yeah, this thing is about to be slammed on the freaking floor. If you guys have been tuned into the channel for the past week or so, I dropped like 3 videos on the whole Gatlinburg 2024 experience. It was such a freaking blast, man. We took the FRS across the country to Tennessee for a show. But I promised you guys, once we get back from Gatlinburg, we're gonna start working on the Mustang because the Mustang content has just not been there. The last look of the Mustang with the iBox Sportline springs. Like I said, it looks nice as it sits, but it's time to go to the floor, baby. Let's get it. Oh yeah, and a cold start for the boys. It sounds so good. Before we get too far into today's video, I wanted to remind you guys quickly that this upcoming Friday, October 18th, we're dropping the RIP FA24 shirts, or the motor blown shirts for the 2022 BRZ. If you guys have been up to date with the videos, you guys have seen that we blew the motor on the 2022 BRZ not too long ago. But guys, the new shirts finally came in, themed around blowing the motor. The first one here, as you can see, it's clutch slipping, motor blowing, because that's literally exactly how we blew the motor. But yeah, it's so sick. Guys, the details in these t-shirts are amazing. We got like smoke coming out of the hood. We got a whole bunch of like oil under the car. Got the Borges Supply logo on top of the motor. So we got this super sick gray tee that's dropping this Friday. And also, I feel like my personal favorite, the RIP FA24. Just in time for Halloween, it's kind of got that like spooky vibe to it. Check out the details on this shirt. We got the skeleton arm holding the piston coming out of the grave. We got a whole bunch of like pieces of the motor on the grave. And then look at the tombstone. Rest in pieces, BRGZ. License plate on the BRZ, and then also the dates. Like I said, like perfect timing for Halloween. Kind of got that like Halloween vibe to it. So these 2 shirts are dropping this upcoming Friday, October 18th. Mark your calendars, guys. And yeah, just wanted to remind you before we get too far in the video that these 2 are dropping very soon. Today we're actually rocking the black one. We got the little center logo right in the chest. This one is so cool. All right, we got the Mustang up on the quick jacks. These things are so freaking clutch. So we have everything right here that we are gonna be installing in the Mustang. This is all personal preference, but when I like to do bag installs, I like to do the boring stuff first. But yeah, we'll get the wiring taken care of, and then after, we'll move on to the air struts. All right, guys, bags 101. This is to the front of the vehicle. Red wire goes to the battery, the positive. Black wire goes to the negative on the battery. Pink wire goes to the fuse box. Plug it to whatever fuse you want to power the whole system. USB is for the controller, so this is in the inside of your car. This is what controls your car. Raise it up, air it out. Now we go to the other end. This big old plug right here plugs into the management. This is pretty much the brains that controls the whole system. And that's it, guys. Literally, that's the wiring harness in a couple seconds. Seems like a lot, but it's not really. Typically what I do is I grab the end, some electrical tape. We're gonna bunch all this together. Much easier to route inside of the car. All right, so we got our little end right here. Our battery is on the right side, the passenger side. So in that case, I route the wires on the passenger side. All right, start from the trunk. All right, so once we got plenty of slack right here, we move on to how we're gonna get it through to the battery. So typically cars usually have like a firewall, like a rubber grommet somewhere down right here. In my case with the Mustang, there's one behind the fender liner. And yeah, it's just like a little rubber grommet that a lot of wires go through. Make an opening so we can put the wires through it. All right. Now, this is my first time ever using this, so we're gonna try this out. So this is called a wire insertion tool, I believe it's called. I picked it up off of Amazon, so it's the first time we're gonna be using this. It comes with like a whole bunch of different sizes. Check it out. It's like a sharp, pointy edge, but it's like a hole. There's a hole in the middle, so you can feed wires through this. So in our case, I'm gonna go ahead and try to poke it through. So we go under. And as you can see behind the carpet right here, there's a tool. So we can feed the wires through there. So we're gonna grab our end, put that through. Should come out the other end. Yo, that's so freaking awesome. Oh my God, that was so easy. Now, while we have that tool there, let's go ahead and start on the airline. Like 50 feet worth of airline. Since I'm routing the wires, I'm gonna go ahead and do this as well. So this piece of airline is gonna go to the front bag. Again, we'll start in the trunk. We can make it neater later. But yeah, let's feed it through the same hole. We could just pull this out. Because there's an opening on the other side. Dude, how freaking cool is that, bro? How freaking cool is that? Literally. If you guys do bags, you need this. All right, now we can tuck it behind the rug. It's like you never saw it. All right, everything is routed. Start putting the interior pieces back. Oh, these are always fun to put back. Sarcastically. Check it out. The trunk setup is now plugged in. The compressor, the manifold, everything is good to go in the trunk. Now it is officially time to start on the struts. This is kind of a different style video too. Typically I just set up the camera and the tripod, but I wanted to switch it up for you guys and do a little POV. So this is exactly what it looks like working on the Mustang. All right, let's take these things off. Hopefully the lighting is good. Now, this comes off. Set this down there. All right, there you go. Fronts are out. Not too bad. It's kind of crazy how you have to drop the drop one side of the subframe for the Mustangs. For the rear, only drop one side, because if you drop both at the same time, your whole subframe is gonna get misaligned. So yeah, it's just those two subframe bolts. Thing just drops down. All right, now we can lower the jack. This comes out. All right, y'all, we're done. Finally, hours later, 1 day install. We got the bags on the Mustang. Just finished up the rear bags. As you can see, super clean. Got the strut and the bag located down there. Got the fronts installed. Got everything wired up. Got the negative to the negative on the battery and also the positive. And then the fuse, if you guys are wondering, I did it to this little 5 amp right here. Good to go, man. Let's drop the car, put the wheels on, and set this thing in calibration mode. And we'll get a first look of the car aired out. Ah, I'm so freaking excited, bro. Good morning, guys. Got the Mustang right here. Just completed the bags a couple days ago and check that ride height. It's not aired out right now. This is actually the ride height. Damn, look at the rear. It's so fire. right there. Just stopped to get some breakfast. Stopped at Einstein Bros. One thing about me, I love trying new things. I love trying new food spots. So kind of my first time trying Einstein, their iced coffee and everything. I used to not be big on iced coffee, but now I low-key like iced coffee. But their vanilla cream cold brew, extra vanilla cream, it's actually pretty good. I'll give it an 8 out of 10. 8.5. I got their breakfast sandwich. This is called the all-nighter. Bagel with toasted hash browns on top. Has 3 fresh eggs. I think like some like chipotle aioli, bacon. I think that's it. That's so good. But yeah, it's actually, what is it? 8 a.m. right now. I'm supposed to be at work, but I decided to call off today. I'm just doing like some merch stuff, like behind the scenes, getting the website ready. And also, I really wanted to film more for this video, edit this video, and post it for you guys. So I don't know, I'm just like trying to plan this whole week ahead of me. I have a lot of stuff going on because of the merch drop. And I don't know if it's just me, but there's just something I love about like an early, fresh morning. Just that like fresh morning air. But yeah, I'm happy right now. Got my iced coffee. It's a nice Wednesday morning. Can't complain. This thing is literally just laying on the floor. Dude, it looks so...
Only one.
One finger? Dude, it looks so good. Look at this. Oh my gosh, bro. So much better than the Springs, in my opinion. The Springs look cool, but I don't know, having this car on the floor is such a vibe, especially like how long this car is. I don't know, it just looks like flat. I don't know how to describe it, it just looks so good. So believe it or not, this is actually aired up all the way. Look at the rear, that's like the height I was at with the lowering springs. And then the fronts actually go pretty high. This is probably like stock height, I want to say. I believe it's because the super low struts are actually very small, like the bag itself. I can adjust it, you know, the strut to make it like go higher or lower, but this is pretty much right out of the box how the bags look installed. Yeah, let's go to the ride height. So I set it down to my ride height. This is pretty much what I was riding at. A little bit lower than what I was on Springs. Ride height's pretty fire. Kind of like tucking tire in the rear. This is a vibe, bro. See, this is why I love bags. Literally just at your convenience, you can adjust it, set it to whatever height you want. Now, I was gonna wait until the next video to show you guys the new wheel refinish I did on my TE37s. If you guys don't know already, I got some TE37s for the Mustang, and I actually have them sitting over there. And I was, like I said, gonna wait till the next video, but I feel like for you guys still watching this video, you guys deserve to see it. Kind of a sneak peek. Just say, honestly, a reveal. I'm literally gonna show you guys what they look like right now. I just slapped on some new tires for them, so they're literally ready to go. I love to throw them on in this video, but I'm kind of on a time crunch, so that's gonna be for the next video. But I'm gonna keep my word, and I'm gonna show you guys the wheels right now. Now, they used to be a gunmetal color that matched just like the paint on the Mustang, but we sent them to my boy over at Bulletproof Coating, and check them out. Guys, triple chrome TE37s for the Mustang. What do you guys think? We just had to, guys. Triple chrome on that paint color is just gonna hit so well, I think. Dude, let's freaking go. So we got the 18 by 10 and then the 18 by 10.5 TEs. Just got some new tires. I got the Firestone or the Firehawk Indy 500s. Honestly, super freaking expensive. It cost me like around $1,000. So used to buying cheap tires, like $300 for a set. But we had to get some somewhat decent good tires for the Mustang for some grip. But yeah, for the fronts, 18 by 10, we went with the 245 35 19. And then for the rears, the 18 by 10.5, we went with a 255 35 19. Running kind of like a little bit of stretch, not too much. I kind of wanted to go like in the middle. Didn't want to go too much stretch, and I didn't want to have too meaty of a tire. just so we can have some good fit mem. Here they are, guys. Just for you guys still tuned into this video, I wanted to show you guys the new finish of the TEs. So huge reveal, man. Let me know what you guys think down in the comment section below. I'm trying to get this video edited up for you guys the day of I'm posting this. So Wednesday, 12:35. I'm probably gonna post this in about a couple hours. But yeah, smash that freaking like button for finally bagging the Mustang and for the new wheels. Like I said, this next video, I'm literally about to throw the wheels on right now, but on YouTube, you guys are gonna see that in the next video. So I'm probably gonna stop those on, get an alignment today and all that, and get the car looking right so I can show you guys. I've never seen a Mustang with triple chrome TEs in bagged. And bro, this is gonna be the sickest Mustang ever. I'm so freaking hyped. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Wasn't really like a detailed walkthrough of the bag install, because I've literally done that I feel like 5+ times on this channel already. So I kind of just want to like install it, briefly show you guys, and regardless, I hope you guys enjoyed. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and import these clips, start editing this video up so I can get it posted up for you guys today. But yeah, with that being said, I love you guys so freaking much. Remember, this upcoming Friday, we're gonna be doing the merch drop of the RIP FA24 shirts, so be sure to tune in. And yeah, with all that being said, finally, I hope you all have a good one today. Make it a good one, and I'll catch y'all later. Peace. Can't wait to throw the wheels on. Oh my gosh.